How to access Windows folder via Android. On your Windows PC, select the folder you want to share. You can also create a new folder specifically for sharing. Select the folder, then go to the Properties. In the Sharing tab, click on Share. Select Everyone, then click on Add. Change the permission level to Read or Write. Click on Share. Click Yes. Now close it. Now click on Advanced Sharing. Click Permissions. Check the box for full control for everyone. Click OK. Now click on this Network and Sharing Center option. Enable all these options. Now go to your Android phone. Then go to the Play Store and download this File Explorer app. Now open it. Give permit to all type of access. Now go to the network. Tap on New Location. Then tap on Remote section. Then click on Local Network. The File Explorer will scan for available devices on your local network. Make sure you have connected to the same Wi-Fi on the computer and Android device. Find your Windows PC name in the list. After finding your device, tap on it. Tap OK. Now you have successfully entered into the computer. You can now copy or move files from your Android device to the shared folder on your Windows PC and vice versa. And that's how you can access Windows folder via Android. Thanks for watching.